CRT safe loading checks. A step-by-step video of the CRT safe loading checks. When measuring the casualty vehicle, make sure you leave enough room to prevent any possible damage to the wheels or tyres of the casualty vehicle. This normally means adding on around 5 centimetres. When connecting the winch rope, make sure that the delta link is in the correct position on the centre pull strap, with the curved edge behind pulling on the strap. Remove your loading gloves before putting your hands inside the casualty vehicle to prevent any possibility of dirty marks, and, if necessary, leave the handbrake on slightly while loading. As the wheels approach the ramps, stop and check for clearance. Make sure that the vehicle is positioned centrally across the CRT and that there is no possibility of damage to wheels or tyres. As the wheels approach the top of the ramps, stop once more and check again for clearance. Finally, winch the vehicle up to the front wheel stops, and it is important, if the vehicle is fairly low to the ground, that you also check for sump clearance to prevent any possible damage underneath the vehicle whilst in motion. Once the vehicle is securely strapped, attach the lighting cable to the CRT and close the bonnet, leaving enough slack in the cable for cornering.